Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a very simple and interesting story. Let's start the story. Several centuries ago, there was a very large, dense, and dark forest. A group of monkeys arrived in the forest. It was winter season, and the monkeys struggled hard to survive the freezing cold nights. They were searching for fire to keep warm. One night they saw a firefly and mistook it for a spark of fire. All the monkeys in the group shouted, "Fire, fire, fire! Yeah, we got fire!" A couple of monkeys tried to catch the firefly, but it escaped. They were sad because they could not catch the fire. They were talking to themselves, saying that they couldn't survive the cold if they didn't get the fire. The next night, they saw many fireflies again. After several attempts, the monkeys caught a few fireflies. They put the fireflies in a hole. They dug in the ground and tried to blow on the flies. They blew on the flies very hard, without knowing the fact that they were flies. An owl was watching the monkeys' activities. The owl approached the monkeys and told them, "Hey, those are not fire, they are flies. You won't be able to make fire from them." The monkeys laughed at the owl. One monkey replied to the owl, "Hey, old owl, you don't know anything about how to make fire. Don't disturb us." The owl warned the monkeys again and asked them to stop their foolish act. "Monkeys, you cannot make fire from flies. Please listen to my words." The monkeys continued trying to make fire from the flies. The owl told them again to stop their foolish act. "You are struggling so much. Go take shelter in a nearby cave. You can save yourselves from the freezing cold. You won't get fire." One monkey shouted at the owl, and the owl left the place. The monkeys continued their foolish activity for several hours, and it was almost midnight. They were very tired and finally realized that the owl's words were correct, and they were trying to blow on flies. They took shelter in the cave and escaped from the cold. Moral of the story is, we may go wrong many times and should seek and accept the advice and suggestions provided by others. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.